Hello students, now we will discuss complex numbers. Complex number. Before this, we will discuss imaginary number. Now let x square is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus minus 2. Mean taking square root both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus 2. That is, there are two answers. That is, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 2. This means x is that real number which when multiplied by itself gives 4. That is, 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4 and minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 is also equal to 4. Now if x square is equal to minus 4, put this question number 1. Now in question number 1, there is no real answer of x, as there is no real number which when multiplied by itself gives a negative number. As in equation number 1, right hand side is equal to minus 4 is negative number. Now taking square root both sides of equation 1, we get square root of x square equal to plus minus square root of minus 4. In left hand side, square root cancel with square. So this implies x is equal to plus minus square root of minus 1 into 4. That is, by rearranging, we can write minus 4 is equal to minus 1 into 4. Now square root of 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, this implies x is equal to plus minus 2 into square root of minus 1. This implies x is equal to plus minus 2 into iota, where under root of minus 1 is equal to iota, called iota is an imaginary number. So number which contains iota or square root of minus 1 are called imaginary number. And the numbers of the form z is equal to x plus iota y, where x and y are real. That is, numbers of the form z is equal to x plus iota y with x and y real are called complex numbers. Put this question number 2. In question 2, x is called real part of z and written as x is equal to capital RE mean real, z mean complex number. So x is equal to real part of z, and y is called imaginary part of z and written as y is equal to capital I m, mean imaginary part of z. Now if x equal to 0, that is real part of complex number z equal to 0, then complex number z is called purely imaginary. Now formula of iota. First one, iota is equal to under root of minus 1. Second one, iota square is equal to square of square root of minus 1. Now square and square root cancel each other. This implies iota square is equal to minus 1. Now third one, iota cube is equal to cube of square root of minus 1. This implies iota cube is equal to square of square root of minus 1 into square root of minus 1. Or this implies iota cube is equal to minus 1 into under root of minus 1, as square of square root of minus 1 is minus 1. Or this implies iota cube is equal to minus iota. Now fourth one, iota to the power 4 is equal to raised to the power 4 of square root of minus 1. This implies iota to the power 4 is equal to square of square root of minus 1 into square of square root of minus 1. This implies iota to the power 4 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. This implies iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. Now fifth one, iota to the power 5 is equal to iota to the power 4 into iota, as if bases are same, the powers get added. This implies iota to the power 5 is equal to 1 into iota, as iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. This implies iota to the power 5 is equal to iota. Now sixth one, iota to the power 6 is equal to iota to the power 4 into iota square. Again this implies iota to the power 6 is equal to 1 into iota square. And this implies iota to the power 6 is equal to iota square, which is equal to minus 1 from number 2. Now seventh one, iota to the power 7 is equal to iota to the power 4 into iota cube. This again implies iota to the power 7 is equal to 1 into iota cube. And this implies iota to the power 7 is equal to iota cube, which is equal to minus iota from From formula number 3, iota cube is equal to minus iota. In general, for any integer n, first one, iota to the power 4n is equal to 1. Iota to the power 4n is equal to 1. Second one, iota to the power 4n plus 1 is equal to iota. Third one, iota to the power 4n plus 2 is equal to minus 1. And fourth one, iota to the power 4n plus 3 is equal to minus iota. So these are the 4 general formula for iota. Now problem, solve 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole power 4n plus 1. Now solution is 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole power 4n plus 1 is equal to 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota multiply by 1 plus iota upon 1 plus iota whole power 4n plus 1. That is rationalizing the denominator. Equal to, in the numerator the quantities are same, that is both are 1 plus iota. So in the numerator we get 1 plus iota whole square upon, in the denominator we get 1 square minus iota square, because a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. In our case, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to iota, or this is equal to 1 plus iota whole square in the numerator upon denominator we get 1 minus minus 1, as 1 square is equal to 1 and because iota square is equal to minus 1, or it is equal to, in the numerator 1 square plus iota square plus 2 into 1 into iota, because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in this case a is equal to 1 and b is equal to iota, and in the denominator minus into minus become plus, so we get in the numerator 1 plus 1 and whole power 4n plus 1. Again solving this we get 1 plus minus 1, again iota square is equal to minus 1, so we get 1 plus minus 1 plus 2 iota upon 2 whole power 4n plus 1, that is 1 plus iota upon 1 minus iota whole power 4n plus 1 is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 2 iota upon 2 whole power 4n plus 1. Now plus into minus become minus, so this become equal to 1 minus 1 plus 2 iota upon 2 whole power 4n plus 1. Now 1 minus 1 cancel each other. So we get equal to 2 iota upon 2 whole power 4n plus 1. Again 2 and 2 cancel each other. So we get equal to iota power 4n plus 1. Iota power 4n plus 1, and from formula number 2 we get it is equal to iota. Iota the power 4n plus 1 is equal to iota. So this is the answer of our problem. So by this we can solve the different types of problem containing iota. So thank you very much.